Hey everyone, welcome to Elevate Beauty Company. My name is Summer and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new double shot blow dryer from DRYBAR, and I can't wait to open it up and check it out. Okay, you guys all know how much I love my Revlon styler. I cannot live without it. It's my favorite styling tool. I never use a regular blow dryer anymore, and so once DRYBAR came out with theirs about 2 weeks ago, I knew I had to get my hands on it and check it out. So I'm just gonna be unboxing it today, kind of telling you about it, reading all the things, and then I'm gonna do another video where I put them head to head and try them out against each other and let you know, is it really worth the extra money to pay $150 for the DRYBAR one? So let's check out the box. The box is, it comes in a super heavy duty box. It has some information on the back. It's yellow, so basically really similar in style, different color, has the bristles and everything like that. It says the double shot blow dryer brush by DRYBAR. This does retail for $150. I got mine at Nordstrom.com. They're also available on Ulta. You can probably get it on Amazon soon. You can go straight to DRYBAR.com to get it. Let's check out what it says on the back. I'm a sucker for beautiful packaging, and I have to say they did an amazing job on the packaging. The back is really beautiful. It's got some information here. It says it was created for the perfect blowout. At DRYBAR, we do millions of blowouts a year. This requires some seriously powerful artillery. So we created the perfect line of styling tools to meet our rigorous needs. Like all of our tools, the double shot was designed to help achieve and maintain the perfect blowout. I'm having such a hard time with words today. Why you will love me. Say that 3 times fast. I challenge you. Okay. Blow drying has never been easier. Combines the hot air of a blow dryer and the structure of a round brush to create a smooth, shiny blowout with tons of volume in one simple step. Faster blowout, 3 temperature/speed settings, maximum airflow, and ergonomic design make blow drying a breeze for all hair types. Goodbye frizz. Ionic technology helps seal the cuticle for smoother, shinier, frizz-free tresses. Hello volume, a blend of nylon and tufted bristles grip hair to detangle and smooth strands, while the oval-shaped barrel provides added volume. So that's what it says it's gonna do. Now let's open it up. Look, like I said, like such cute packaging. Opens up like this and says created for the perfect blowout. Clearly that's their brand message for this tool. All right. Take out, so here's a little insert piece that was holding it in there. And then you open it up. Here is the dryer. Let's open. All right. So here is the dryer, and it's got an off, a cool, looks like a low and a high. So it just kind of twists at the bottom, and that's how you change the speed. It did say it had 3 temperature settings, cool, low, and high, basically. It's got a really cute, I've never really seen like the gray cord before. That's super cute, very on trend with their brand. Oh, there's more. Look at this, there's a fun little envelope inside. What does it say? DRYBAR.com/videos for how-to tips and tricks. So if you want to go to DRYBAR.com/videos, you can check out more tips and tricks from them. And operating instructions and safety guide and limited warranty. You guys, I've had this cough for 2 months. Okay, it needs to go away. The blow dryer, let's see, the double shot blow dryer brush operating and safety guides, and then there's also the limited warranty information. Let's see. We sure hope that you won't need it, but just in case, your DRYBAR tool is warranted for 24 months from the day that you bring it home. That's awesome. Let's see. It states that DRYBAR's product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship for 730 days from the date of purchase. Under this warranty is to repair or replace the product at DRYBAR's option. So they may make you send it in to be repaired, which is just a bummer. DRYBAR must be notified in writing of any claim under this warranty within 30 days of any claimed lack of conformity. So basically, you've got 24 months. They may make you send it in to be repaired, or they may just send you a brand new one. Okay, so check out our how-to videos. Let's see, instructions for safety, lots of danger and warnings. Do not do a lot of things like put it next to your bathtub or blow dry your hair in the bathtub. Frowned upon, may cause death or injury. Features and benefits. We already talked about that. It's the same exact features and benefits that they had on the box. Styling tips. Okay, let's read this one. Styling tips. After shampooing, thoroughly dry hair to remove excess water. Brush out hair using a detangling brush or comb and separate into large sections. Place the double shot underneath each section and work it gradually from roots to end until the section is dry and smooth. For volume at the roots, use horizontally at the crown. Wait a second. That way, up and down. This would be vertical, right, friends? Horizontal. I'm assuming they mean like bring it straight up and down, right? I don't know. Open to interpretation, I suppose. Okay, let's see. The double shot can also be used on dry hair to create a smooth, finished look. For extra thick or long hair, it may be necessary to rough dry hair with. For extra thick or long hair, it may be necessary to rough dry hair with a regular blow dryer. Oh, I have never heard somebody refer to it as rough dry hair. I think that they mean to partially dry your hair with a blow dryer and then use the double shot, but that is an interesting way to say that. Okay, maintenance. The double shot is virtually maintenance free. Isn't that fantastic? So it's got cool touch finger grips here, so this part remains cool so that if you needed to use two hands, you could, or you could just go with one. Strategically placed vents. These were not stuck on here willy-nilly, friends. They strategically placed these vents just because it's better. Ionic material fused to barrel. So I'm assuming this metal plate is the ionic material. That is very helpful for your hair for many reasons, which we already talked about. Okay, and then we have the power control on this side. Off, cool airflow, low power airflow, and high power. And then the cord is 9 feet long. All right, I think that that's pretty much it. So there's the rundown. Yep, there is the rundown of the dryer. We are gonna do a head-to-head with the Revlon. I've got my hair ready to be blow-dried. Ready to, I'm gonna blow-dry my hair. And we're gonna use both of these. So stay tuned for the next video. We are gonna take this one head-to-head with the Revlon. We're gonna see how it compares, and we are gonna find out if it's really worth the $150 price tag.